In this video, we are going to cover the recruitment announced by Bharat Electronics, that is BEL. The BEL announced 299 positions in various locations, and we'll discuss in detail what are the qualifications required and what are the eligibility criteria. When we click on the detailed advertisement here, this is the official web page. When we click on the detailed advertisement, we can see here these are the various positions here. Post code, and here we can see the number of posts also. Electronics 48 vacancies are there, mechanical 52, computer science 75, electrical 2. And for the second post code, electronics 3, and this is the location we have, electronics 24, computer science, like this various positions are there. So in this, among these, unreserved are 99, EWS 20, OBC 61, SC 32, ST 17. So these are the vacancies we have here. Now when we go for eligibility criteria, the candidate must be citizen of India, and for unreserved candidates the maximum age limit is 28 years as on 1st November 2024. If you are belongs to any OBC candidates, we have you can get the 3 years of relaxation. SC/ST candidates will get 5 years of relaxation, and the disability who is having minimum 40% disability, they are going to get 10 years of relaxation. The date of birth will be considered based on the SSC or based on the intermediate memo. Whatever the date of birth printed on SSC memo will be considered as a date of birth proof. And here, when we are going to seek the relaxation for the various categories, so we need to produce the appropriate certificate for that. In the same manner, so EWS caste disability certificate should be in the form of in the format available on the BEL website. So various formats are already available in the BES website here. So when we open that BES website, we can see here download specimen formats are there. When you click on that, we can see here, if you want to take SC/ST category certificate, follow this format: OBC, disability, EWS, like this. We need to follow compulsory these formats only. If we follow any other format, they are not going to consider. So we need to download that particular format, fill the details, and take the appropriate signature. And now, in the case of EWS, we need to take the 23-24 academic year, and once that particular whatever the declaration we given here, once declared, will not be changed. No changes will be allowed here, and we need to have 40% disability. And ex-servicemen, as per the government guidelines, also we can get the relaxation. When we come to the educational qualifications, you must be BE, BTech, or BSc engineering. That is, any 4 years course we can have here from recognized institute or college, and in the branches of electronics, mechanical, computer science, and electrical engineering. When we come to the subjects here, the electronics may be related to electronics and communication, electronics and telecommunication, instrumentation, and communication, telecommunication. From these branches, they will come under electronic stream. When we come to the mechanical engineering, mechatronics, and industrial engineering. When we come to computer science, CS, CSC, CSE, IT, and information science and engineering, data science, artificial intelligence, and AIE. When we come to electrical and electronics engineering, these are the branches will be considered under electrical. So when we come to the minimum first class, we need to have, in the case of SC/ST, PWD, they need to have pass class here, and whatever the qualification we are showing here, that qualified degree has to be processed from AICT or UGC approved college or institute. So now, without the relevant prescribed documents mentioned will be the rejected. Whatever the documents they mentioned, we need to have. So these are the post code and place of posting where we are going to post for this. And when we come to the method of selection, we are going to have CBT, computer based test we have. Then the interview will be held at Bangalore. Once we qualify this, then you will be called for interview at Bangalore, and selection will be based on the performance in CBT as well as the interview. So candidates who meet qualifying criteria and whose online applications are accepted are required to log on to BEL website, enter their credentials to access download CBT test call letter. There is no physical call letter will be posted to your address here. Definitely we need to download that particular call letter from the website only. So in general aptitude, it comprising of mental ability, aptitude, logical reasoning, analytical comprehension ability, basic numerical ability, and basic numeracy, as well as data interpretation skills, as well as the general knowledge. When we come to the technical aptitude, it may consisting of technical professional knowledge test with specific questions from the respective discipline, which discipline we are going to belongs, and from that discipline they are going to have the technical aptitude. And the pass percentage is 35% for general OBC EWS and 30% for SC/ST PWD. So the test will be conducted in the month of December 2024 only. So the entire process will be done in the month of December only. So pay and allowances, we are going to get on average, we are going to get 12 lakhs to 12.5 lakhs per annum. So in addition to that, so these are the allowances uh, and application fee. For general category, OBC as well as EWS category, the fees is around 472, and SC/ST candidates exempted for paying the application fee. So once paid, will not be refunded here, and we need to log on with the help of the mail ID as well as the mobile number. We need to log on, and we no need to send any hard copy for the for any position. So simply apply through online only. So we need to have the NOC certificate when you are working in government or semi-government or public sector organizations when you are applying for this post. If for a written test there is no amount paid by the organization, but to attend the interview they are going to bear the AC chair car as well as three-tier AC for up and down, and local charges we need to bear. So these are the various guidelines here. These are the documents we need to have: recent passport size photograph, SSC memo, and all semester marks card, final degree certificate, that is OD, and proof of norms adopted by the university. And candidate belonging to these categories should produce the appropriate certificate from the competent authority. And the candidates belong to OBC category required to submit the community certificate like this. These are the documents we need to have. And the last date for applying is December 10th. So before December 10th, we need to apply. So this is a detailed notification we can access from the internet or the web page. So when we go for schedule of selection, we can see here the last date of filling the application is 10th December, and uploading admit cards for written test, we will get intimation soon. And also date of written test is also going to be intimated through this online only. We need to check frequently by visiting this website. And these are the specimen formats we have clarification. First time when you are applying for this, simply click on this fresh candidate to create login. When we click on this, it will ask you name as per SSC. Okay, the name, the format, in which format we have in SSC, in the same format we need to apply here, date of birth, and we need to re-enter the date of birth here, which post you are applying for. Then discipline, which discipline you are going to have, computer, electrical, and mechanical, like this. Email ID and the password, re-enter email ID, password, then say yes, then submit. So once you created the login, once you registered, then you can click here to complete this particular process. So that's all for now. If you have any queries, simply comment on this video so that we can try to reply. Thank you. All the best.